Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's your girl Lizzie. If this is your first time of watching me, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And if this video helps you in any way at all, please don't be shy to thumbs me up, comment in the comment section below, and don't be also shy to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I also want to say a very big thank you to all who have been subscribing, tuning in. I love you all so much. Thank you all. So today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to tie this trending gele. But today I had issues with my camera. As you can see, it's quite blurry. I had issues with my camera, but I just had to post something today. But I do hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if it's not as clear, I am going to make another video of this same gele tutorial. I love you all so much. So the first thing I did in order for me to tie this gele was to fold the edges of my gele. It's very important, as we all know. You're supposed to fold the edges so that it doesn't come out rough. If you're a new subscriber, if you're just new to my channel, what we usually do is to fold the edges of your gele first before placing it on your head. It's very important. You don't just lift a gele and place on your head like that. You have to fold the edges before placing. And after that, I made 4 pleats and then traced the pleats down towards my neck area for my right hand side and for my left hand side. The rule for this gele today is 50-50. The both hands of your gele have to be equal, so no one is going to be longer than the other. You just have to make the both hands equal. So after making them equal, all you have to do next is to make sure that you take one hand, fold it and place it under your hand, one of your hands, so that the gele is firm on your head when you're trying to make use of the other hand of your gele, which is the other 50 parts of your gele. That is in a case where you are tying your gele for yourself. That is when it's necessary. You have to fold one hand, place it underneath your hand, the way you can see me do in this video, while you make use of the other hand. It's very important. But if you're going to be tying for someone, you can just ask the person, your client, your model, to hold the gele for you. So at this point, I'm holding one of the 50 parts of my gele. I'm holding it and I'm just going to make pleats with what I have. You have to take your time in making your pleats so that it comes out real good and nice. So guys, at this point I'm going to start making my fan. This is where the fan comes in. I'm just going to place one hand on top my head while the other one picks the pleat and arranges it properly. You just have to make sure that you're making use of your both hands here. It's very necessary, especially if you're tying the gele for yourself. You don't want the gele to unravel. You don't want it to fall. So you just have to make sure that it's as secured as anything at all. You just have to make sure that it's secured, it's firm on your head, and it doesn't feel like it wants to fall at any point. So I'm just making my pleats. You can make a pleat and pin it, or you can make 2 pleats and pin, but for me right now I'm going to be pinning at different points as far as I feel that it's good on my head and it doesn't feel like it's going to fall. So I'm done making my fan at this point. I'm just going to twist the end of my gele and then I'm going to take it to the back and pin it. I've been emphasizing on your gele being firm on your head. It's very important, just so that when you go out for any party, any occasion at all, your gele does not fall. It doesn't just loosen like that. So you have to make sure that whatever you are pinning on your head is good to go. It has to be secured. It has to feel like your gele is secured on your head. So I'm going to take the other part of my gele, which is the other 50 part of my gele, and then I'm just going to make pleats with it. It's not difficult at all. Just watch me and learn. Okay guys, so the rest of this gele tutorial is just me arranging my pleats to make sure that it's well laid and to make sure that it comes out really beautiful and nice. Here is what the back of the gele should look like if it's an open gele, but if it's a closed gele, it has to be closed at the back, especially when your hair is not made. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. If you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you'll definitely be the first to know. I love you all so much. Bye bye.